what's two squares and one Christmas tree? I made a parody. You can take one and munch it. Hello everybody, today I'm gonna make a fully kids-friendly recipe. Like, you can do it on your own. Kids can do it on their own. So, what I have here is some cane sugar, some Kellogg's, you can use any cereal you use, and then some unsalted butter and honey, the bear's honey. The first step is that you have to take these cereals and grind them in the mixie. And then, second step, go over here with the honey, butter, and cane sugar. And we're gonna put all of those in. And this, don't, like the cereal, don't grind it into too much of powder. Just like maybe this much would be good, like little flakes. And then you have to mix the solution that we did with the honey, butter, and sugar into this. So let's do it. So I grinded these cereals. I grinded it a little too much because I did 2 little grinds. So you were supposed to just do 1 little pulse and then it would be good, but I did too much. Now let's make the honey, butter, and sugar solution. First, let's open the honey. So you guys, I just put the honey, the cane sugar, and the butter in, and I'm making this thing. And there's one thing I need to tell you guys. Be careful, because this is on the stove. But I'm good at it for some reason, for my first time on the stove. So let me just do this. So, if you're a little afraid to go to the stove, you can ask your parents for help. But I'm just wanting to do this, so I'm doing it. And just to let you know, my mom is standing behind the camera, so I have an adult with me. Now I'm gonna mix the cereal with the mix of the unsalted butter, cane sugar, and honey. Let me put this in. Pour. Okay, that's finished. Take this and pour. That was a little tempting. I mean, hard. Ugh. So I'm mixing it right now. And if you think it's a little bit watery, that's because I just added a lot of the solution. But if you think yours is a lot watery, then you can add some more Kellogg's or cereal, whatever you choose. I'm just gonna continue mixing. So my mom already did one of the these balls, a heart shape. Now I'm gonna do it. Let me take this ball and put it through a little bit over here and a little bit over here. Smooth, 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 smooth. Down, 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 down. Carefully, carefully. I did it! Now I'm gonna try this square shape. Let me put this here and take another ball. Just to let you know, I have put some butter on this plate and greased it. so that these cookies things don't get stick to this. And I also have a lot of these cookie cutters, so now I'm gonna do it with the square. Smush, smush, smushy, smushy, mushy, smushy, 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 smushy everywhere. Smush it, smushy. Let me put every corner to its place. Is it in the correct place? Okay, let me put all these in. It worked! Now I'm gonna do this Christmas tree. I don't know why I'm choosing a Christmas tree because it's not Christmas. It's the middle of April. Now I'm gonna put the Christmas tree's ball. I made it super large because the Christmas tree is super large. Ugh. Ugh. Maybe that's a little too less, but whatever. Smush, smush, smushy, smush, smushy, smushy, smush, smushity, 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 smushy, smushy, smush. Oh my god, it works so good. See, this is how it looks. Compare it. So now I have made 4 hearts, 2 squares, and 1 Christmas tree. I made a parody. Okay, so you can make any of these, like you can make any shape, but I made these. 4 hearts, 2 squares, and 1 Christmas tree. Now we're gonna put it in a fridge, and whenever it's done, you can take one and munch it. Have a sweet day. Bye.